Okay, we're putting the piece out and we're hitting it with the flux. This is my proprietary blend of what I call steel glue flux. This formula is in my first 3 books, and it will be in my 4th book as well. You got to coat it really nicely and heavily. It's got to soak in all those wires. So now it's going to go back in the fire and get up to welding heat. Now I'll clean off the old block. And while things are heating, let me explain to you the peculiarities of doing it this way. You got to make sure that the piece is heated all the way through, because if it won't heat all the way through, it's not going to weld all the way through. That's the #1 reason that welds fail, is they weren't hot enough. The #2 reason they fail is they weren't clean enough. The heat is important, even more so than being clean. You can weld without a flux, but not with stainless steel. If you do that, it's got to be in an air-free environment, because oxygen will just chew it up. So, next step, I'm going to pause this for now, and then we're going to come back and we're going to start the weld. Thank you.